Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, then please do subscribe so that you will get notification whenever I will upload any video. In this video, I'm going to do a calendar bottle. This is my second calendar bottle. If you want to see my first one, then the link is in description box. Go and check out my first calendar bottle tutorial. To make this calendar bottle, the things you need is described in the description box. Paint this whole bottle with the white acrylic color with the help of sponge. Try to paint it evenly. Because we are putting lights in this bottle also. After giving one coat of white acrylic color, let it dry and then go for second coat. See, this one is ready with second coat. Now take calendar print. I'm just smoothing all the edges with help of water because I don't want any sharp edges. I'm just giving it a rough look because I think it will not look good on this bottle. Sharp edges. Just applying some water and then remove. Repeat this procedure for every month. Like this. This is it. Like this, our cutouts are ready. Now I'm pasting it with the technique decoupage. It's one by one. Light blue color is looking very nice on white combination. I'm just trying to fill all the gaps and try to make it light, and the color is ready. 2020. and it's ready. We are all set for 2020. Thanks for watching.